Morning everyone, hope everyone's had an awesome week so far. So the boatbuilding news roundup for this week. So Florida-based boat builder Twin Vee PowerCats, a manufacturer, distributor and marketer of power sports boats, is moving the manufacturing of Aquasport products from Tennessee to its Fort Pierce, Florida facility. So according to the company, the decision is driven by the desire to increase efficiency and implement cost-saving initiatives throughout its brands. So Twin Vee PowerCats recently completed its purchase of the Aquasport boat brand in Tennessee and has decided to merge its LFG Marine monohull brand into the new subsidiary. So Twin Vee's Fort Pierce factory is currently in the process of expanding its floor space by approximately 30,000 square feet, increasing the total area of its boat building facility to nearly 100,000 square feet of production space. The company plans to add another manufacturing line to increase its production output once the expansion is completed also. And Caudwell Marine has revealed the key features of its 300 horsepower V6 diesel outboard engine, which is expected to hit the market in 2024. So the firm first revealed its plans for the new outboard, which has an integrated steering system, in May this year. And British marine propulsion specialist Caudwell Marine says the new outboard engine incorporates innovative features and aims to deliver power, performance, manoeuvrability and efficiency to all boat users looking for a durable and reliable outboard solution. At the heart of the outboard engine is a 300 horsepower turbocharged V6 diesel powerhead. And the Caudwell Marine 300 horsepower diesel outboard is said to be economical to run with significant savings versus petrol outboards of equivalent power. So ahead of the launch, Caudwell Marine will publish performance data demonstrating real-world savings operators can expect across various vessels and conditions. The product features a patented integrated steering system known as the Axis Drive. This electro-hydraulic steering system articulates steering from the lower part of the outboard leg only, with the powerhead and the upper leg section remaining stationary in the turn. So this Axis Drive steering system operates at a 120-degree angle, and Caudwell says this ensures propellers are deployed to effectively deliver power throughout the turn, providing full control at high and low speeds in all conditions. So the Axis Drive steering system is enhanced by a contra-rotating dual propeller setup, which transfers the power of the outboard to the water with added grip and balanced torque. So Caudwell Marine says the engine's twin clutch system gearbox provides smooth gear engagement between forward and reverse, and the proportional hydraulic technology within the gearbox is said to allow independent control of the two clutches, leading to seamless directional transitions at high-end low speeds, and features full crash stop functionality. The engine's cowling also provides a service hatch for ease of access during daily checks and maintenance. So Caudwell Marine says it's invested extensive efforts and resources in rigorous functionality and validation testings before the launch. Caudwell is keen to confirm that it's conducted over 19,000 hours of sea trials and 4,000 hours of dedicated lab-based testing to ensure its outboard engine will deliver resilient reliability in all conditions and to all users. The engine is going to be made available through a global network of distributors in 2024. And Dutch boat builder Damen Yachting has celebrated the double launch of two new Amels limited edition super yachts in one day. So the 74-metre Amels 242 and the 60-metre Amels 200 both hit the water last week, making the first time in Damen's yachting history that two super yachts have been launched on the same day. Both semi-custom yachts have exteriors by designers Tim Hayward and interiors by Winch Design, which were independently selected by both the owners. So the Amels 242, so the owner of this just launched Amels 242, the eighth to hit the water, opted for a blue hull on an off-white superstructure with the various vertical lines and sketches of windows stretching out in a unique dark grey colour, rather than the traditional all-white exterior palette that we usually see. Winch Design took the blue exterior colourway and incorporated it into multiple elements throughout the interior. So as guests enter through the main entranceway, they are met by the wall of semi-precious agate blue stones. To match, there are various blue marbles on board as well as blue mosaics scattered through the wellness area. Other features include a dedicated owner's deck with a jacuzzi, a large aft swimming pool and a lower deck wellness space. So up to 12 guests can stay overnight in 6 staterooms. And this yacht is due to be delivered early June 2024. And then the Amels 200. So as an evolution of the Amels 188, the Amels 200 has a proven popular platform, and this vessel is the fourth hull to hit the water. So while on board, the owner and his family intend to work remotely and entertain friends and family. As a result, the owner added an additional balcony to the main deck and exterior bars on every deck. So this Amels 200 has a customised whisper grey hull, a colour which is subtly repeated in the exterior curves and arches, particularly around the superstructure. So there are over 50 Amels limited edition yachts at sea, and the yard set is currently at full capacity. Hope everyone's got an awesome weekend planned, and I'll catch up with you next week.